Friends, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, we had seen the overview of the subcontracting process. Now we will take up the exercises on the subcontracting process, and we will start with the first exercise in which we will create a BOM for the casing assembly for a pump with material number L-10001 for plant 9110 and BOM usage 1, which is production, with components and quantity as given in this table. Okay, so the components are CM-10001, CM-10002, and CM-10003, and the quantity is 1 for the first component CM-10001, and 1 for the second component, and 5 for the third component. That is, for each assembly we need one quantity for the first component, one quantity of the second component, and 5 quantity for the third component. After creating the BOM, we will display the BOM also. Okay, so now before we create a BOM, we should know very important point. The main material of a BOM must be of material type semi-finished product or HALB, HALB, and the components of a BOM should be of material type ROH or raw material. Okay, first, I will display you the main material here. For example, I will go to MM03 and let us display the main material L-10001, enter, and just we will go to one view, basic data. And here, if I click on this information on material button, I can see that the material type is HALB or semi-finished product. Okay, this is the main material, which is casing assembly. And let us, display any one component. So let me display one component, CM-10001, enter, go to basic data, and here click on this is casing steel for pump, and click on the information on material. You can see that this is of material type ROH or raw material. Okay, so this important point we have seen here. Okay, now we will create the BOM for the casing assembly for pump. So what is the transaction code for creating a BOM? The transaction code is CS01, and this transaction code we can get in this path: logistics, production, master data, bill of material, material BOM, create CS01. So let us go to SAP easy access screen here. Let me take you to the SAP menu. So the path is logistics, production. We can see master data, bill of material, material BOM, create CS01. Okay, double click on CS01 and input the main material. So our main material is L-10001. This is the main material. Okay, our plant is 9110, and here the BOM usage is, go for F4 here, select one, which is production. Okay, then press enter. We will come to this item overview screen. Here, we have to input the components. The first component is CM-10001. Copy this component, and here, input that CM-10001, and the quantity is 1. And the second material is CM-10002. The quantity is 1. And the third component is CM-10003, and the quantity is 5 for one assembly. Okay, then press enter. The system will copy the description of the components. The first one is casing steel for pump, second is gasket for the casing, and third one is hexagon screws 10 mm. Okay, after the system has copied all these things, we have to just save this one. Click on save. Okay, we get the message creating BOM for material L-10001. That means BOM is created. Now let us display the BOM. In the same screen, click on material BOM display, or you can use transaction code CS03. Okay, now we will display in the same screen. Display, okay, the same material, right? This is the main material, plant and BOM usage we have here. Just press enter and we can see this BOM for the main material, which is casing assembly for the pump for our machine for plant 9110 with the components. The first component, second component, and the third component with the quantities as per our requirement. So this is how to create a BOM for a assembly. Okay. So thank you for watching my video and see you in my next video on the next exercise on subcontracting.